فيصيب بها من يشاء وهم يجادلون في الله وهو شديد المحال.
And the thunder exalts Allah with praises, and the angels as well from fear of him. And he sends thunderbolts and strikes their way through their wills while they dispute about Allah. And he is